Hi guys, welcome back, and today I will show you some makeup tips. As you can see, I have a lot of dark circles under my eyes, result of not sleeping well, but makeup is the best way to hide them. Whenever you want to go for a quick party or something and you want to hide your dark circles, just pick up some makeup, and I'm going to teach you now how to do it. So let's get into the video. So there are a few steps when it comes to concealing dark circles. The first and the most important thing is color correcting. So dark circles are usually a tint of maroon and blue. So to hide those shades, you need to take an orange concealer. I am using the Glam 21 concealer palette. And I am going to use the orange shade. But before I start using the concealer, we will prime the under eye. So I am using the Miss Claire Studio Perfect Primer. After you apply the primer, let's start with the concealer. The orange shade, take a little bit on your finger. Keep in mind never to use a lot of product, it will make the makeup cakey. So if you want to avoid cakey eyes, just apply a little bit of concealer, that's it, not a lot. So how much I have applied, and first dab it with your finger and then use a beauty blender to dab it. After you have applied the color corrector, our next step will be covering the color corrector with Miss Claire Full Coverage in the shade FS26. This is also a concealer. We are using this product to hide the orange under the makeup. The same step, I'll be using a smaller blender and dabbing it under my eyes. Our next step will be using a liquid concealer. You can either do this step directly or you can apply foundation first and then do this step. It depends on you. Use a beauty blender to blend it in. Our next and final step will be setting it with loose powder. This step is also called as baking. Take product on the sponge like this and apply it directly under your eye. this step is essential to seal the cream products in place so that it does not shift. Our last step will be taking a brush and brushing the excess powder off. The powdering or the baking, as I said, has to be done after you apply your foundation. Keep that in mind. And these are the basic steps that will help you hide your dark circles. I hope this will help you to make your makeup look much better. So if you need any other makeup tips, comment down below and I will try to help you out. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. You can follow us on Instagram, Foxy Makeup Tips, and you can follow me on Instagram, Simboart. Thank you.
Thank you.